I'm sure many people have wondered how to make sunken cheeks look more sexy and attractive. I will share with you practical tips on how we can make sunken cheeks like a model. Being overweight makes your face look more rounded and less masculine. All because fat tends to be deposited in the form of chubby cheeks and a second chin. To fix this, you need to reduce your daily calorie intake. Even after losing 2 kilograms of extra weight, your facial features will become more pronounced. Just look at the change in the faces of guys who got rid of obesity. Chewing machine-chewing exercisers are essentially endless gum with adjustable power. You should work with them the same way. Just chew them for 1 to 2 hours after eating. You are unlikely to find chewable trainers in stores, so you need to order them online. Firms that produce trainers, Jazzercise, Chiseled, Jawliner. The average price for a trainer of 1 power equals $30. Temples shape. How often have you heard this question when you get a haircut at the barbershop? Some guys are still lost when faced with this choice, but here everything is obvious. The temples should be slanted. The attention of others will automatically roll from your slanted temples to your chin. Thanks to this visual trick, people will notice the strong features of your face: beard, length, and shape. If you can grow a beard, you have an excellent weapon in your hands. But with a beard too, you can overdo it and end up ruining your appearance. To avoid screwing up your facial hair, follow these rules. More hair on the chin, less on the sides. This will reduce the roundness of your face and give your lower jaw a more confident look. Shave a distinct edge in the area where the beard begins to crawl up your cheeks. A sharp transition in this area will create an angle to your chin, which will emphasize the shape of your lower jaw. The mustache should not be larger than the hair on your chin. To check this, take a picture of yourself in profile and see where there is more hair. If the mustache appears to be more massive, the shape of the face will again round out. These are practical tips that have helped me to make sunken cheeks and look more attractive. I suggest you watch my previous video about increasing testosterone with cold showers. Testosterone directly affects your face. Be confident, my dear friends. Get stronger and never give up. See you later.